Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tour around the facility, let you know what we do here in Sarasota, Florida at Classic Cars. We'll go ahead and start in the lobby. So as you walk through the doors, you will see we do have a Porsche Targa and also a 69 Z28 up front. A lot of memorabilia on the walls, and again a bunch of Schwinn bikes. And then where all the fun is back here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301. Address is 7910 25th Court, Unit 107. This is our only location. We do keep about 100 cars in inventory. We're located on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We're a full service dealership where we do full frame off restorations. You will see several restorations going on back here right now. We do have 3 split windows we're working on right there. One is a full resto mod Roadster chassis LS. Those are going to go back to factory original. Here's a 66 that we sold, put in power steering in it to send it off to the new owner. And we have a 64 here we are restoring. 58 that is sold, we're putting AC into that. And then we do have a drag car that we're putting a rear end in, and nitrous, also redoing the entire front. Over in this section is where we sell. As I mentioned, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars, and yes, we do a lot of Corvettes, but that's not all we do. As you will see, every make and model from the 1920s to current 2026 vehicles. Again, I mentioned 80% are domestic classic cars. The other 20 are European, exotic, and or luxury. As you see, a 2023 Aston Martin Vantage, beautiful vehicle. Again, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for additional pictures and information on any of the vehicles you may see today. We are a full service dealership. We do ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world: Budapest, Hungary, Seoul, South Korea, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Australia, Spain. So we can certainly ship you your classic car or late model wherever you may be. Please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do also have finance partners that will finance your classic car as well. Visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab and can certainly finance your classic car or your late model. If you have a vehicle you're looking to sell, we do buy or consign, whichever you may be interested in. Please give us a call and we will certainly be able to give you an evaluation and or get your car sold for you, purchase it, sell it on consignment. We ship and advertise worldwide. Last month we had, our inventory had over 1.9 million impressions online. So we advertise on about 18 different websites, as well as our own. and we get about 175 to 100 visitors during the winter, and then during the summer it is probably 50 to 75 visitors a day that come in. Again, a lot of our business is internet based. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.